Yo, what up, it's Wizard with TGN.TV here with the Soul Calibur 5 One Hit One Kill mod. Want to give a big shout out to MBR King for dropping that 0-day trainer on us. You know, everybody keeps asking me, who's this sexy beast Phildog I keep talking about? And hey, you want to find out? Visit wizardhacks.com/Phildog for more information. So here you go, it's Wizard Hacks with Soul Calibur 5 One Hit One Kill mod on TGN.TV. Enjoy.
And you get amped to do shit whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it. It's just some shit for these kids that trash their rooms with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion and drastic movement and people acting stupid.
It's ring, who you gon' bring on? Who you gon' swing on? I'm King Kong. Guns blow you to kingdom. Come, show you machine gun from 16 to 16's one pump. Snub in my balls, shove it in your jaws. How you running out this fucking club in your drawers? We loving the brawls, it's nothing to applaud, but fuck it, it's all good. The hood is up and it's all, it's fight music.
I'm a nigga that loves scuffles and won't hesitate to sock you again with full of knuckles. I'm like that. Catch a nigga like bear traps, blow his head back right in front of the precinct. I slap you free, bump you, won't speak. If you step on my feet, you get drowned in your own drink. I suffocated my shrink just for talking. Came back and fucked up his pallbearers and made him drop his carcass.
And you get amped to do shit whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it. It's just some shit for these kids that trash their rooms with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion and drastic movement and people acting stupid. Body capture the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it and spit it back in the faces as you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace, Versace's and you Nazis watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies for parents who fail to raise them cause they're lazy. To grow to praise me, I'm making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic.
This video is part of the WAY movement, a career path in video sponsored by TGN. To learn more, visit TGN.TV.